Alright, you might want to know why I'm posting a new video so soon, because I normally post like every week or month, because I was wondering, can you like probably cartridge tilt Portal or any of the Valve source games? Because that's what I want to know. So far I got Portal 1, the first Portal game, on a USB drive. So I was just thinking about like I don't know, load it to test chamber 1, no 0, whatever. You know, do something normal, you know. Get out my little cage. It's a weak ass cup, holy crap. And then if I wait, what if Glauda starts speaking and then I unplug it?
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Computer-Aided Enrichment Center. We hope your brief detention in the relaxation vault has been a pleasant...
Oh. Subtitles are still going, but no, it's just glitched. What? I don't... Oh, so it does this thing to the... It does the player... What? Whatever. I'm afraid I'm gonna crash, because for some reason it crashes. Yeah, you might want to know why the video is so short for some reason, even though there's supposed to be more content, you know? Yeah, my video software stopped picking up Portal when it first crashed, so now there's no more footage. It's only a black screen of me talking for the next half of an hour of speaking in the darkness. Can't see me, you can't see what I'm doing. To the point, I'm still gonna post this with failure, and I'm gonna give up on this video. I'm not gonna edit or try to do it again, because I'm not waiting another hour to wait for Portal to download on this USB drive. Also, do make sure to like and subscribe. I really want to post daily. I really want to be a YouTuber. It's my dream when I was like a little kid. I've always wanted to do it, but I would always I'll run out of ideas. But I have so many ideas, so many game ideas. I have so many stuff to do. I'm good at editing. You've seen my other videos, like my recent videos. Well, not recent, but you know, yeah, my recent videos, like my Gary's Mod video and my Minecraft videos, for like the Spectrum 11 and the Broken Script mods. I put so much work into it, and I don't know why I'm getting low views. I want to make it entertaining as possible, but I don't know how.